Sugar Crush products are backed by real research with real results. In 2010, Sugar Crush and Sugar Crush Daily became the world's first all-natural dietary supplements, with research accepted for publication by the most prestigious U.S. medical societies related to diabetes, based on the credibility of the authors, scientific method used, and quality of the results.
I'm Dr. Vinod Poricherry. I am the Chief Scientific Advisor for Naturera, and in addition to that, I'm the President and CEO of Research Practice Partners, a Miami-based contract research organization, and we've been involved in clinical trials and scientific work in product development for the past 5 years. The Sugar Crush study was the first of its kind pivotal pilot study that was uh, created to see the effectiveness of Naturera's Sugar Crush and its ingredients. And I think it was a great opportunity for us to prove what has already been established in the industry was single component products versus combining all this and putting into a biologically active substance, the Sugar Crush and Sugar Crush Daily, each having these individual ingredients that have been extremely useful in maintaining as well as creating a sustainable levels of blood sugar levels in patients suffering from diabetes, specifically type 2, but we're also seeing some anecdotal evidence that these are extremely useful in type 1 patients. We created this pilot study, and I was involved in the design and the methodology of the study, where we've screened 154 patients, and after screening and following extremely stringent inclusion-exclusion criteria, we came up with 51 patients who were enrolled into the study and followed for 22 weeks. The results of Sugar Crush study are, I would want to start off saying, very, very impressive, compelling, and phenomenal, because of after the first 22 weeks of Sugar Crush use and Sugar Crush Daily use, we found that patients had a drop by 59%. So that was quite impressive. Two key things that I would like to point out in terms of what really I was to take home as a lesson from what I've learned doing this clinical study. One is that the results were just phenomenal. 59% reduction in plasma glucose level. I think patients need to try it out to really take that effect and use it in a variety of circumstances, both type 1 and type 2 diabetics, to be specific. The second key point is that, as you see it in our results, that had zero complications whatsoever. So that was very nice in the results section. As we were anticipating, the results were good. The results of our study and the abstract has been accepted at the ADA's 70th annual scientific meeting in Orlando in July. And also, this abstract has been accepted at the American Association of Diabetic Educators here in San Antonio, Texas. So we are hoping that this scientific manuscript would be accepted to a very good peer-reviewed journal. We are looking at all options so that we have broad focus as well as distribution to a variety of individuals who are involved with diabetes care. I've been involved in clinical trials with drug device companies for almost 12 years now, and we've worked on clinical trials that are first step towards creating a product that is innovative in the pharmaceutical side. But what makes it compelling in this particular scenario is that this is for the first time we were endeavoring into a avenue that is in the nutritional supplement side, and it's so important in the current economic landscape, as well as patients dealing with a ton of side effects with pharmaceutical products. This was the first step as a pilot study towards doing more and more clinical studies with this particular product that is going to be useful across the board in patients who otherwise are not able to take pharmaceutical products because they're already in such immunocompromised state.